And now it's time for Silly Songs with Letty, the part of the show where Letty comes out and sings a silly song. Bob the tomato, unable to sneeze, visits the sneeze doctor. Please, can someone help me? I need to sneeze. Going for the sneeze doctor. Just take a seat. He'll be right with you. Sneeze if you have to. Sneeze if you need to. Don't hold it in. Just be sure that you cover your mouth with a tissue. I will assist you. Sneeze all your troubles away. Add up to 150 miles an hour. Interesting fact. The average sneeze travels at a rate of 100 miles an hour. In 2003, Dirk Evert of Grunholz, Germany, clocked in at 150. Way to go, Dirk! Danke! I think I have a remedy, perhaps in my potpourri. I bought it from a merchant in Spain. For ultimate sneeze satisfaction, try allergic reaction. Take a deep breath, if it helps, you can squint at the sun. Oh, here's some pepper. I know it, I can try this better. Don't be afraid. That is great. Let it go. Interesting fact. The photic sneeze reflex, or sneezing when exposed to bright light, is a genetic trait found in 25% of the population, including Dirk. Gesundheit, which interestingly means good health in German. Ja! This has been Silly Songs with Letty. Tune in next time to hear Dirk say